Malemgi mafam sinba thungna pangthoknabagum Thoubal District ki Wangjingda leiba YK College ta sungasi World Food Day gi Thouram Pangthokkhre. YK College Wangjing amadi Association of Food Scientists and Technologists India AFSTI Manipur chapter na sinduna pangthokhiba Thouram aduda Thangjam Agro Industries ki proprietor TH Joy Kumar Singhana athoiba mithunglen YK College Wangjing ki principal Professor Soibam Giri Singhana Thouram mapu Shairam Imphal ki Board of Directors su oiriba Iroi Shembada leiba Central Agricultural University ki Department of Animal Science ki former head Professor M Dhaneshwar Singha KVK Bisnupur ki Subject Matter Specialist Bandana Ningombam Hanglem Industries ki proprietor Hanglem Nabadip Singha amadi YK College ki Department of English ki Associate Professor P Somarendra Singhana akhanaba mithunglen sing oina saruk yaki AFSTI ki life member Dr. Suraj Laishramna identification of available plastics as packaging medium haiba hiramda aduga YK College ki Department of Environmental Sciences ki head assistant professor Dr. N Sovaranina healthy lifestyle a happy life haiba hiramda research person sing oina wangangki Thouram adugi sarukama oina tongan ba food industry singi stall sing su hangki